We're back in the kitchen. I always start my vlogs in the kitchen. It has better lighting than anywhere in the house. Anyways, hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lizzy. I'm trying to be more active on the channel, especially because we hit 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers, yay! Today is Saturday, May 20. 4:16 right now. I did a question kind of type thing on my story on my Instagram and asked what type of videos would you guys like to see, and one of the options was cooking videos / cooking tutorials, and which is perfect timing because I have a bake sale coming up, which is tomorrow, Sunday. So perfect timing for me to bake and cook. Now I need to go and get my ingredients. I go to the shops. I might take my bike and then we'll go to the shops and get some ingredients. I actually don't know how I'm gonna go on a bike ride like this. So hot. Like, I'm gonna ride my bike. Maybe riding my bike will it won't be too hot, but I need to go get the ingredients like right now. So I got the flour. Now it's time to head home. I went to this other shop to get sugar. I swear, I almost got scammed. I literally, by $1 I almost got scammed. I'll tell you all about it later. Guys, I just got back. I got all the things I needed to do. I thought I was gonna be able to actually cook what I was cooking today, but I can't because it's not going to be fresh. What I'm making is not gonna be fresh. So I'm gonna cook it tomorrow. I'm probably gonna go have dinner and go to bed. So see you tomorrow. I just finished from Sparklers and it's like 12:30 or so now. So I'm gonna start baking one of them. The biggest bowl that I have, it's not the biggest, but it's okay. And I'm left here because my mom told me the recipe. So flour, sugar, yeast, water. Very simple. Easy. Oh no. That's 4 cups of flour right there. Okay, the one I on shops for it. Don't market it and trying to scam me. I think it's one germ scam, but it's still scam. Basically, I got this one for this pack, like for germs, okay, $4. And I showed it $4 on the dot. But I took to the counter and the dude said it was for 5. And I don't want to lose one change. So I went back to the place where I got the sugar, and I came back in and he said, oh sorry, it's for 4. He scammed me. Like, I didn't know that. I couldn't be even more indecisive with this. I was planning on doing apple pie. Then I wanted to do chocolate pizza. And then now I'm switching to this, which is like a donut ball, this puff. I think this is gonna turn out really good. My hands are getting tired from mixing. I think this texture is how it's supposed to be like. It's not supposed to be like dough. That's good like that. Guys, the dough is ready. Yeah, guys. Block bag. It's like this. And we're gonna cut a tip. How am I gonna get it ready? Let's see if this will work. Oh, I need something to cook it. Oh, the oil isn't ready yet. First 4 fail. They're so huge and they're not even yours.
Did you all?
Guys, now I'm helping my friend put these tart shells on. I'm putting this in this dough thingy, so I'm helping her to get this ready because she already did it, but just in case it's not enough, she said I should help her. So